Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be talking about Beamable network. So I know a lot of us have been kicked out of this project because of the restriction that recently happened for over a month and now. So but I just got a new trick on how you can be able to access your dashboard, especially if you are connecting from the region that got restricted from participating in their airdrop event. Okay, so what you need to do now is to go ahead and follow this guide that I'm going to show you. You can see I am actually on my dashboard right away. So what you need to do now, head over to your Play Store. Okay, so let's go to Play Store. So once you are on your Play Store, come to the search bar and type OVPN. Okay, so you can see this first one that pops up, OVPN Spider. So you click on it, you will install this VPN. Okay, once you have successfully installed the VPN, so the very next you're going to be doing is to open the VPN. So you come to the search bar and search for Canada. Okay, so search for Canada, you can see this. So you scroll down and connect. Okay, so you have to connect to Canada and using any of this region. Basically you have to select 3 from this downside, 3 to 4 from this downside to work for you. You can see my network is connected. You can see it here, connected, connection established. So this is basically the region I used. Or if it doesn't work for you, you go to JP. This is Japan, but there is no available region here. So you can see the server is completely off from this region. But if you go to CA, which is Canada, you'll get to see location that is available. So once you've located, you get to go ahead and use the region. Okay, so once you have connected, you can be able to access your dashboard. So new users can actually sign up. So once you've signed up, you quickly head up, you can register with your Google account. So and get started. So you click on start. You can see we have start here. Okay, so new users can click on start to get the onboard task. So once you've clicked on start, you will complete the onboard task. So after you've done that, you will claim free onboard badge that will give you access to get along with the next step. So the next step is to head over to endpoint. You can see we have endpoint here, endpoint. Click on the endpoint. You see that we have daily check-in. Okay, click on daily check-in to get point. Okay, so once you've clicked on daily check-in, it will load up. So you have to wait patiently. The site might actually be slow, but with this VPN, it will be working fast for you. Okay, so let's see if we can dive in and open the daily reward page. Okay, so once it has opened like this, you're going to be seeing daily check-in. So even if you were kicked out, it will actually continue from where you stopped. So you have to scroll down and start checking in every day to receive free box. Okay, so once you've received free box, you will actually go ahead and open the box. Okay, after you've received it. So let me show you the next you're going to be doing under this page on the daily check-in. So right here, you also go to that the same section I showed you, which is endpoint section for old users and also for new users. You can see we have the quest board. Open this quest board. Okay, so once you tapped on quest board, you'll be prompted to a new page like this. So you can see we have a lot of tasks here, including submission of SUI wallet. So you have to do this very urgent, as you're seeing this video right away. So you complete all these tasks to earn your point. You can see it here. So I have already done this, so I have to claim the reward. can see I got 250, 500 point plus 250 XP. So I'll go back. Most important is to submit your SUI wallet. Click here, go to your click link SUI. Okay, so you open a new form for you to fill. So you can see on my page here, I have opened the form. So what you need to do now is to click on the email, fill in the email you used on your Beamable network, and then copy your SUI from your wallet and submit. So I'm going to be copying from my let me say OKS. So I'm using OKS for this tutorial. So let me copy it out from this particular wallet. Okay. So once you head over to your wallet, and you can use any of the wallet as long as it has SUI network. So you click on receive. Okay, click on receive under the wallet section. Click on receive, then search for SUI. Okay, SUI. So this will come up. So the first one is the correct SUI that you are submitting. Okay, so just copy the network, then head over to the form and paste it here. So after you've pasted the wallet, then you add the email address you are using on your Beamable network. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully submitted my wallet. So I'll head over to the task page and complete the remaining task. Okay, so I can be able to claim my reward. So you go back and then you will complete the remaining quest. Okay, so look at this. So you have to click on it and you see claimable. Okay, claim reward for completing this task. All right, so let's get to the next step. So make sure you complete all these tasks. I'm going to come back for them and finish all the tasks available to earn my much reward. Okay, so you can earn point and XPs here. Okay, so the next you're going to be doing is to head over to the profile. You can see we have let me open this. Okay, I've already opened this before. So let me head over to the profile. Click on this your username here, this profile. So tap here. So once you are here, you can see that we have inventory. Okay, under this inventory we have box, BM box. Okay, so this BNB box is what you open after you do your daily check-in. Okay, so click on it. You can see we have box available. So let me click on open. Okay, so depending on the number of boxes, you can see BNB Create Season 2 times 503. Okay, so it has been added. So I've just received this right away. So see it here. So guys, I've successfully opened. So that is basically what you need to do every day. Now let's go to this particular picture. We have store. Okay, look at this store. Click on the store. So once you've tapped on store, you will be prompted to a new page. So what you need to do now is that you need to click on this free second month. You can one per user. So you click here, you click on purchase. So you purchase one. Okay, so it's very simple and very straightforward, right? Okay, you can see I received one uh box in my inventory. So you can always go to your profile and get the inventory box. Okay, so I've shown you how to open inventory there. Okay, so you also click on this wallet activated. This is also free. Okay, so for one per user, so click on it, you receive one. Okay, click on purchase. So it has been added to my profile. So I'll click on BNB box. So if you have um points, you can use it to purchase more box for yourself. So you can click on purchase. You can see it has been added. So I'll click, I'll still buy if I wish to buy, depending on the quantity of points that I have. So I think you can actually use this point to get boxes. Okay, to increase your BNB XP. Okay, so I think I'm getting up to, let me get up to 10, then go to my profile and open all of them. So I've actually purchased up to 10. So let me go to profile now. So I'll click on this place, click on profile. So you can see my points have reduced. You can see it here, but I'm going to be getting more savings BNB credits and XPs. So I'll click on profile. So once I'm on the profile, tap on this BNB box. So I have 9 boxes on opened. So I'm going to be unboxing them. So I'll put 9 here, okay? So 9/9. So I open 9 boxes once. Right, you can see I got times 4168. So when I go to my balance, you can see what I'm going to be getting there. So under the BNB grade, okay. So it's very important to use most of your point to get more BNB grade. I think it's one of the focused aspect of this airdrop rather than the point. So let me check out what I have here. You can see I now have 4,871 BNB create season 2. Okay, so we have actually completed season 1, and most of us were kicked out of the system. So it was actually frustrating, but with this new trick you can be able to earn more points under the earn point session and also open boxes and do your daily checking. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for daily update on how to make free crypto airdrop rewards. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next video.